OG Kebab review. We're in Kebab Express in Blacktown. Jimmy, traditional Turk, owns it, runs it. Not many Turkish places in Sydney that are traditional. Oh, let's go. Straight away. Look, I've been doing this for a very long time. When the Turks own a Turkish restaurant, I'm sorry, it just gets done right. Oh. "20 years in the game. If you're out Blacktown way, come out and grab this kebab. It's just done so right, done so tight. The cheese is done properly, the filling's done properly, the meat is on point. Brother, this is a fucking kebab, and it's always been in lip bread. Oh man.